कहते दुख भूख सदमार यह भी दात तेरी दातार। ये जो कॉन्सैप्ट है इसमें समझने वास्ते सानू बहुत ज़्यादा लोड़ हैगी है, क्योंकि यही कारण है कि असी इस चीज़ को समझ नहीं सके तो बहुत सारिया समस्यावां जिस दे विच कि अज असी रुझे पे हाँ, यही कारण है। So let's emphasize on this particular aspect as to what is this dukh and pukh, what the Guru is talking about. And when we say Ehi dat deri datar, that is he the one who is giving us all these sufferings, whereas on the other side we always say that God always loves, he never punishes. So what is this basic concept? Let's listen to Sardar Harbanz Singh Khadola on this particular issue. Ji Bhai Sahab.
Carry on, after we explain that, carry on, we're talking about Band Khalasi Pane Hoye.
Ji.
Is the Hukum Raja Pana, the will of God.
Ji.
Nanak is saying in this, कुदरत अंदर वर्त रहा टल रब्बी निजम नू ही गुरु नानक ने पाना ता रजा किया.
ठीक.
Okay, immutable laws of nature is the will of God, hukum.
जी.
Now Harpreet ji, when one is involved in cheating,
जी.
evil actions, को गलत पासे चलता है, heavy drinking, use drugs, what do we say? This is being directed by God. ये तेरे पाने च हो रहा, ये तेरी राजा च हो रहा. Now, when somebody is poor, very poor, then what do we say? ये ओदी रजाई है. And now this is a completely wrong message, which I understand that. Band Khalasi Pane hai, Guru is saying here, look man, look sick. Everything in this universe work according to the laws of nature. एक रब्बी निजम अनुसार चल रहा, इस तो बाहर कुछ भी नहीं है. That is fact. This is the hukum. This is the will of God. There are no exceptions to that hukum which I just telling you. And it is up to you now to you want to follow, live according to the laws of nature, will of God, pane andar, raja andar juna, or you deny this, resist the truth, you want to live according to your own will, that is your own complete freedom.
Okay.
But I explained to you that.
Right.
Now, let us take a couple examples.
Ji.
Now, is the boiling water, we put hand in that,
Ji.
it will burn.
Yeah.
That's the law of nature, that's the Rabbi Nijam.
Ji.
When we do excessive drinking, use drugs, for example, that will damage our liver and kidney will be damaged. Now, when we feel jealousy, hatred, anger, that created negativity, that created negative chemicals, that created stress in our life. Now, the big question is God directing us to put a hand in the boiling water?
No.
No. Guru explained us. Did God told us to drink and use drugs? Did God tell us to feel hatred and jealous about others? No. God did not. God explained us. Guru explained us the way.
Right.
This is the law of nature. Guru says if you put that hand in there, your hand will
going to be burnt.
Burn.
Yeah, it's a free will which he has given to us.
Yes, but Guru explained that if you do that, you face the consequences.
Oh, yeah.
If you put a hand in the boiling water,
Right.
your hand will burn. That's the law of nature. So Guru has in here to me, Harpreet ji, explained you the truth, the law of nature, the Kudrat Vartreha Nijam. Now, Guru has told us, in fact, stay away from drinking, stay away from using drugs, stay away from hating other people. That's how you will live bliss and joy in eternal life. But not, this is the, keep in mind, when, here, one more point, I said, keep in mind, when you walk on the truthful path, listen to the Guru, achieve the conscious transformation, do not make the mistake of saying, I did this. This is what Guru says. Hukum andar chalna means, don't make the mistake of saying, I did it. That will create ego.
Right.
Otherwise, Guru has shown the way. Guru is not telling you that. So we have misinterpreted this. And when we misinterpret that, then we said, "E pura jara e Rabbi hukum karke hai," which is absolutely contrary to the Guru's basic message.
Right now, this is a very important point what you have touched, that the pana, what we consider is that whatever is happening, but as you very rightly said,
We take it in a negative sense.
connotation is there.
In a negative sense.
That's right. But then again, Vivek Buddhi ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, that mind which has been given to us, we have to use that. We have the free will to do or not. Nobody tells us. God doesn't tell us that
Akli
have
sahib
drugs.
se bhi akli
Akli
cheez.
कीजिए दान, बिल्कुल.
Exactly.
That's true. So we have to use that free will and also to understand whether the thing what we are going to do is going to be beneficial to us or it is going to hurt us.
Yeah.
And here, when you have talked about drugs, what today is happening is that we just for a small time we want to enjoy, and we feel that if we take drugs we'll enjoy, and then ultimately we forget that this free will of ours is going to lead us into negative disasters.
If we had understood this Band Khalasi Pane hoye, then we didn't need Deepak Chopra to tell us.
Right.
Live in the present. We didn't need mindfulness, which is spreading in the whole North
yeah,
America.
yeah.
That's living.
In the present.
Band Khalasi Pane, hukum che chalna. This is what Guru told us. But because we didn't understand that,
Right.
then we taken it कि कोई गरीब हैगा ये रब दी रजा कि बीमार हो गया रब दी रजा. We did not really understood the concept. Then we created this heavens and hells because of that, because we didn't understand the concept of pana
Right.
and the concept of God.
And out of fear, this thing came out that fear was predominant then, and we again forgot that Vaheguru or God, whatever name we may call, is not based on fear; it is based on love, affection.
We will talk about the next pauris. Actually, we will make that concept. But if a pana is, Guru is not asking you to do. The Guru has shown the way.
Ji.
Follow what Guru said. It's up to you to put your hand in the boiling water or not.
not, yeah.
If you do that, hand will
You'll
boil.
face the consequences.
That's the law of nature. Yeah, and don't blame God or anybody else.
Right.
That's your own doing. That. Next Guru says, continue in this concept. It's je ko khaik akhan pae, o jane jetiya mukhai. Guru says on the same concept, khaik is ignorance, and akhan pae means live according to your own mind, your own ego against the raja.
Ji.
Mukhai, continue suffering. So Guru says that the truthful living, bliss and joy, live according to the teachings of a Guru, be a person of higher consciousness. If you follow your own mind, if you are ignorant, if you don't know the truth, and you will continue suffering.
Ji.
Ape jane ape de akhe sepi
Ke.
ke. Guru says, what is happening in this world is according to the laws of nature. And some choose to walk on the spiritual path. They become humble, gratitude, they receive grace of God.
Ji.
And there are others who choose to live in, as we mentioned, against the pana,
Ji.
against the law of nature, and duality to attachment, and they continue suffering. And then Guru says, Jishnu Bhakhte Sift Salah, Nanak Patshahi Patsha. So those who spiritually awakened, people are higher consciousness, they become Gurmukh, they live in according to the divine will, hukum, they are honored in the house of Nanak. They are the richest of the rich, and they enjoy bliss and peace. And now, Harpreet, we go to the Pauri 26.
Ji.
In Pauri 26 is Amul Gun Amul Bapar.
Ji.
It's a very practical Pauri. It's amazing what Guru says here. In Pauri 24, we learned Antana Sifti Kain.
Anant.
And here in Pauri 20 says Amul Gun Amul Bapar.
Ji.
Now, Guru is talking about virtues, the values, which are unlimited, cannot be measured, and cannot be counted.
Ji.
Sifti, we should not be in the business of measuring those or counting those. Sifti is a Rabbi Gun. Sifti means Rabbi Gun. Rabbi Gun, what are the Rabbi Gun? Being kind, compassion, empathy, tolerance, trust, courage, humility, contentment, equality,
Ji.
fearlessness, peace, forgiveness, harmony, love, and which results in bliss, joy, and peace and happiness.
Ji.
And that's what Guru is talking about that. And Amul Gun, Because all these virtues are priceless for humanity. They are unlimited and countless to create a better world.
जी.
This is what we should be incorporating in our daily life.
जी.
Guru says, Amul gun, amul vapar. Okay, this is the best business in the world. Understand, internalize, live these virtues is the best business in the world or purpose of life.
जी.
Next Guru says, Amul vapari hai. Those who do this business, live the truth, are the noble people. Those are the one who enjoy khushiyan, kheda, bliss and peace of mind. Then Guru says, Amul pandar. He says that there's no limit how much kindness you can attain, how much contentment you can attain. You can have, these are in abundance. And then Guru says, Amul ave mulla jai. Very interesting thing is, all this is free. There's no cost.
That's right.
Anybody in this world, caste, creed, race, color, can attain these diamonds, gather the diamond, jewel, the pearls of divine wisdom. These are all anybody.
Right.
Then Guru says, Amul pae, amul asmai.
जी.
And those who do this business, then what happens?
They thrive.
सूरज किरण मिले, जल का जल हुआ राम, ज्योति ज्योत मिली संपूर्ण थी आराम.
ठीक.
When you attain those virtues which we talk about,
जी.
you live the truth, to incorporate all those, then it says, there's nothing, ice and water are the same.
जी.
When the hot rays of sun falls on ice,
Yeah, it
they
melts.
become water,
Right.
they H2O, the both, and then
Yeah.
Jyoti Jyot Mili.
Yeah.
Now we have, God is a treasures of virtues, all we needed guidance of the Guru.
जी.
And through the guidance of the Guru, we attain all those virtues and you become virtuous. Sampurn thiya Ram,
Right.
guna di sanj pa ke Rabb varga,
ban
ban jana sampurn thiya Ram. Man tu jyot swarup hai apna mool
mool
pashan.
pashan,
This is
ehi
what Guru
concept.
Sahib is saying.
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਜੀ. ਸੋ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਗਲੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ. ਸਮਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਗਿਆ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਹੋਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰੀਏ. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ,
ਖਾਲਸਾ,
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ. What is the basic concept of life? Why do we want to live in this world? And if the basic reason is just to make merry and just enjoy, that's not the purpose what Guru Nanak talked about. Guru Nanak emphasized on the quality, and that is that highest thought of truthfulness. ਸੋ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅੱਜ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਹੋਈ ਉਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਜੇਕਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੰਦ ਖਲਾਸੀ ਪਾਣੇ ਹੋਏ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਮਕਸਦ ਇਹੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਦੀ ਸੋਚ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਚਾ ਚੁੱਕਣਾ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਲਿਵਿੰਗ ਇਨ ਦ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਕਿ ਬਾਣੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹੀ ਦੁਹਰਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ. ਅੱਗੇ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਹੈ, ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ, ਇਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਨਾ ਚਿੰਤਾ ਕਰੀਏ. ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਦੈਵੀ ਗੁਣਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਧਾਰ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਲਿਆਈਏ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਜੀਵਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਬਿਹਤਰੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆਏਗੀ. ਸੋ ਇसी ਕਨਸੈਪਟ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਗਲੇ ਹਫਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੱਕ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ. ਕੋਈ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੋਏ ਇਸ ਅੱਜ ਜੋ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਹੋਈ ਉਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਹਰਬੰਸ ਸਿੰਘ ਕੰਡੋਲਾ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ 6048391308. ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ 604 603 7555 ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਈਮੇਲ ਰਾਹੀਂ harpreet@akaltv.com ਤੇ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਸੋ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਜੀ. ਧੰਨਵਾਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਪਾਂਸਰਸ ਦੇ, ਐਡਵਰਟਾਈਜ਼ਰਸ ਦੇ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਦੌਲਤ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਦੇ ਨੇ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਦਿਓ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਬਣਾ ਸਕੀਏ ਅਤੇ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋ ਸਕੀਏ. ਸੋ ਫਿਰ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. ਤਦ ਤੱਕ ਗੁੱਡ ਬਾਏ.